E-tubers. So we've got a little Skoda Fabia, and the customer complaint with this one is that the heater was only blowing on 3 or 4, I believe, but now it's not blowing on any setting. So let's try and find out why. Once we get the ignition on, and we will see. Now usually when these only blow on 1 or 2 to start with, it'll be the heater resistor, which is up there, so that's what I'm going to go for first. Always keep a spare one. So I'm just having a look around, and the first thing to note is no cover. That's where the pollen filter lives, up there. There should be a cover on there and a pollen filter in it. So what we're going to need to do is pull out the glove box. There's not too much in there, luckily. I'll get a bit of light on the subject. I've got a screw there, another one at the top there. And there's bound to be a couple down below. There's one here in the corner, and one here in the corner. Let's get smart on that and get this undone. So these all out, one there. So there's 3 on the top. Take 2 of them out, and then we'll get the underneath ones and get the last top one out. Warm one today, it's in the 30s already. I'm only 10:30, 11 o'clock. That one. So this side trim, let's take that off. There may be another screw under that. Bear with me. Pulled it off with my fingers. No screw under it, it was just holding it in. Now we do have a couple of, we have a pipe at the back, and which you can probably not see. So this is a cooling pipe which needs to be disconnected, if we can. That's just there, and then the light, which is just a simple multi-plug. I know you can't really see behind the back there, but basically, let's get this out of the way and then I can show you. So that was for the cooling, which goes there. And that's the light switch just here. And this multi-plug goes into it. Right, now we can start seeing where the relay is located. Okay, now it's set up. Now where these wires are, here, there, that's your relay resistor. Hopefully there's going to be enough room for me to be able to get that out. Don't know if I'm going to be able to film it successfully, but I will try. If I remember rightly, I should just be able to get a hold of it and give it a 45-degree turn on the cover. Right, let's get that multi-plug off it first. So it looks like it's got a each side. Will we be able to do this successfully? I think I have it loose by giving it a 45-degree turn. And it just squeezes out there, and that's it basically. Now we could test the powers in and out, power and grounds, but you know what, I have a spare one for this. Always carry a spare, and I'll just plug that in and see what happens if it's not. Right, so that's our one disconnected there. You can check for power if you wish. I'm pretty sure we're going to get some power. Somewhere along the line. Not through there though. I'm going to go for this one. Let's put you guys down. This is terrible, my videoing today. We do have some control there. Now let's plug the new one in. I can feel it. I can feel we are working. So that's 1, 2, 3. Right, let's see if we can get this back together. And just give it a 45-degree turn, and it's in. You can see there, hopefully. Just sit there, sitting flush. Before we put the glove box and everything back on, test it again. Yeah, don't forget your tube for your cooling and your multi-plug for your light. So it was just a short video on why this heater blower wasn't working. You normally expect it to work on one of them, even with a blown resistor, but well, in this case it didn't, which is unusual. But anyway, it was the heater resistor for the different powers for the blower motor. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of the new videos as and when they come out, and please leave messages and comments in the box below. Thanks for watching.